about to make some really good homemade cornbread to go with these really awesome homemade chili beans.
Today we're going to make some wonderful cornbread. We have a friend with us, James, our very good friend, and he makes some of the best cornbread you've ever eaten, and I just love it. And I asked him to come over today, and he's going to share with you how to do it.
Hello. First of all, take 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and if you'd like, you can kind of mix this up a little bit.
Now, James, was that cornmeal mix or regular cornmeal?
Regular cornmeal.
That's all right, we'll get it.
Okay. Then you can add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil or canola oil. Put that in. 3/4 cup of milk. 2 eggs. 1 small can of cream style corn. 1 medium chopped onion. 3/4 cup of shredded cheese.
What kind of cheese is that, James?
Extra sharp. No, just sharp.
Just sharp. Sharp cheddar?
Sharp cheddar. Stir it all up real good. Get all of it incorporated. I know it don't look good right now, but it will be good.
Putting the onions and the
Okay, when you
the
get it
onions
all
and the corn
mixed
in there
up,
makes it real moist, doesn't
you
it?
need to take like a small 6x9 baking pan, spray it with a cooking oil, either olive oil or the pound, and take this and just pour it in your pan. Okay, and I just shake mine to kind of even it out. It's 425 degree oven for 30 minutes.
Alright.
You put it in the oven, cook it for 30 minutes, maybe 45, but check after 30 minutes. Most ovens cook different. Check it after 30 minutes to make sure it's brown on the top and it springs back when you touch it, and it'll be done if it does that. And then it's eating time. We're gonna check our cornbread. Looks good. About 10 more minutes, so we should be ready to eat cornbread. Okay, it's been 27 minutes on our cornbread, and we're gonna take it out. And does that not look yummy? That looks really good. It smells good. It is really good. You want me to go ahead and now you could cut it several different ways. I usually cut one time this way. And make 2 cuts, kind of divided in thirds. Then you can cut it as big this way as you like. Get a piece out. Might ought to wait it just a little bit and let it settle down a little bit. That's what we should have done. See if I can get one piece out without getting burned. Cornbread. Smoking hot and delicious.
Piece right there looks awfully good, doesn't
Look at that.
it? Yum!
That is delicious cornbread.
This whole piece is mine.
Really good.
Growing up, I ate many of them.
I hope if you try it, I hope you enjoy it and like it as much as we do.
Buttermilk or sweet, it didn't matter.
It's really good.
Back then we just had.
Official taste testing underway here.
Okay, now we're gonna cut this so we can get that steam out of there. See there?
Mm-hmm.
Now you can put butter on it or not. I'm gonna put a little. Just a little bit.
You want an honest opinion,
Oh, yep.
expert opinion.
Expert. Tester's opinion.
Expert taster.
Look at that. It's hot. And it's good. Even down to the last crumb good.
Laura, you try it now.
They borrow you now.
See what you think.
Let's see what I think about this. Of course, I got to have lots of butter. I had more butter than Russell had. That's what makes it so good. So good.
According to the baker, he said you don't need the butter.
Oh, but yes, but
You
I
don't
do.
need a butter.
Now let's see how this will taste.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah.